room. Nah, I don't know, bro. Kid. Nah, it went flying, bro. Where it go? With the Gun Venture block. I don't know what's your name, bro. Tara, start na tayo. Nightmare to, pre. Nightmare to. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Uh, bak ano, pre? You take the laser projector. Are block? Are you there, block? Popsicle man.
Oo, pre, nandito ako.
Are you there? Bro, wake up. Bro. Bro, where are you? Kin, are you there? Why did you move? Okay. So, we're dead. Saan ko lalagay ito, guys? Oh! Wala pa naman. Ghost orb. Ghost orb. Wala namang ghost orb. Naglalag ata ako. Oh, may Umbra board, bro. Arkin, look at this. There's an Umbra board. Nah, we about to summon a whole demon. Parang walang... Wait lang, huwag mo na kausapin. Wait lang. No, bro. I'm trying to find ghost orbs. Chill. Chill it out, bro. Walang ghost orb. I can't find any ghost orb. Wait, you check. I don't know. Oh, man. Ikaw mag-check. Lagay ko lang to dito. It's not beeping. Gagamitin ko na yung Umbra board o mamaya-maya na.
Wag muna, pre.
Let me take 2 salt canister for easy. Bo, pwede mo ko i-chat? Anong age ka ba? Oo nga pala. Bro, I hate... Yo, meron natang laser projector. Nakita mo? Yo, guys. Next video, cafe.
Cafe map tayo, pre. Easy. Yoko, gusto ko nightmare.
Cafe. Unfortunately, walang... Apalo nun? Ayun! I found it, bro. I found it. Merong ano, may... Come here, bro. Come here. Picture this guy. Laser agad. Oh, no. Di niya kita. Oh, no. Oh, no. Bro, open your mic, bro. I look stupid talking to nothing, bro. Open your mic, bro. Open your mic. I sound stupid right now. Bro, what you mean no, bro? Open your mic, bro. Handprint, then handprint, right? Am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Handprint. Ghostwriting. Yeah, oh no, walang handprint. It's either Shadow, Wendigo. Walang handprint pala. I got scammed, bro. Malamig. Yo, it turned red, bro. It turned red. Umabot red, Ark. Dude, I sound stupid right now because you're not talking a lot. Oh, there's a ghost orb, bro. Ghost orb floating. Can you see that? Ghost or ba tayo? Wait lang. Ghost orb ba yun? Shadow na lang ang tira. Tara, alis na tayo. Kailangan natin kunin yung objective. Let's go to round 2 so fast, bro. We have to witness a ghost blowing out a candle. Kailangan natin mag-witness ng... Pre, may lighter ba tayo? Salita ka lang. Sound stupid right now. Ah! Talk to me. Talk to me right now. Guys, I'm not really... I'm talking to someone. Hmm. Watch this guy get triggered, bro. Watch this guy get triggered. Nah! The cross burned, bro. Nasunog na yung cross natin. Are we cooked, fam? Think we are cooked. Wala ko pa lighter, pre. Kulang yung lighter natin. Oh no, upload it out, bro. I'm stupid. Bakit hide? Ano meron? Why should I hide, bro? Ah, kasi nasunog yung cross. Record mo na lang yung sarili mong POV, bro. Tapos send mo sa akin. Ko-combine natin. Record. Bro! Just record your own POV, bro. Para ma-send mo sa akin. Huh? Na-light na lahat ng candle eh. Gamitin ko na yung Ouija board, bro. Risky operation. Panorin natin. What did he say, bro? I don't know what he said, bro. Ano sabi niya? Where are you now? Living room? Living room. Nah, I don't know, bro. Kitchen? He probably say kitchen. I don't know. Nah, it went flying, bro. We're cooked. My guy went flying. Napicture mo? Bro, talk! Ghost event ba yun? Tapos na tayo sa objective natin, ghost event na yun. Let's go, napicture mo na. Let's go, alis na tayo. Okay, second round. Goods na. Oh, tara na. Let's go. Ay, wait lang si ano. Hindi niya pa alam. I'ma tell the girl. Shadow to, no? Shadow. Shadow. Nah, bro. What did you do, bro? What were you doing, bro? Open ka mic next round, ah. I swear. Laso siyang ano eh. Di kasi natin siya ka-age group. Tapos na tayo objectives. Tara na! Go! Hello, Lawyer Raga here. My friends couldn't make it, but I just want to say thank you for helping us reach 10 subscribers. Also, don't forget to like and sub if you want more of these videos with my friends. Next time, I'll make sure to record their audio. Bye. I can hear your loud and clear, bro. Clear. Yo! Ano tayo, pre? Mapag-collab na tayo. Let's go. Ano yun?